Hello and welcome to another episode in the garage. Let's skip right ahead to the making stuff. Got this clear Gorilla Glue. Doesn't expand, but it's almost like a rubbery glue, so that should hold up really well. And off camera, I powder coated my little backer plate, and I think it looks pretty dang good. The back side is powder coated. The rust proofing turned out really well. You can kind of see how that's all black there. That's all from the rust proofing. That's actually worked really well on other projects. And I didn't want to powder coat the threads. So everything's powder coated, including the screws, or the nuts and the washers. So, all right, here's the deal. We gotta clean this thing so the glue has something to stick to. We might even rough it up just a tad to get that thing. I don't know. No, I don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. All right. So here goes nothing. Because I only have one shot at this and I don't want to wreck the only wing emblem that turned out, I decided to do a quick test with the glue on the gold emblem that I had lying around, just in case there was some sort of reaction between the paint or the powder coat or both. This also would give me an opportunity to do a pry test to see how strong the glue actually would be. It's really stuck on there. Still not quite dry. After seeing that the glue wasn't quite dry in the middle, I realized that I had probably put a little too much on, and so with the wing emblem, I decided to be a little less is more mentality, and then just put a nice even layer over the entire backside. Ta-da! I could not be happier with this thing. I think it turned out awesome. A lot of hard work getting here, but I finally got it done, and I think it was worth the effort. This thing is super unique, and it is going to be an amazing eye catcher, I think. The grill looks brand new. The emblem really fits the space well, and it pops in that special way I was hoping for. So, all right, there it is. On to the next thing. I appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, you guys be careful out there.
Yeah!